In today's video, I'll walk you through how to remove a background in CapCut Mobile. Start by opening CapCut on your mobile phone and create a new project or select an existing one. Then, add a video or image where you want to remove the background. Once your media is in the timeline, tap on it to bring up editing options. Next, scroll through the menu at the bottom and select Remove Background. This opens up multiple options: auto removal, custom removal, chroma key, and AI background. For this tutorial, we'll use auto removal, which will automatically erase the background for you. Note that auto removal and AI background are pro features, so you'll need CapCut Pro to use them. After processing, check the preview to see if the background has been removed as you wanted. You're all set if everything looks good. And there you have it. You have removed the background in CapCut using auto removal.